Hello everyone, my name is Nala, also known as Segura's Craft, and I am part of the Kat Scrappiness creative crew. Today I am super excited to introduce to you some amazing new products from the Fork and Farm Quokka release. We've got a beautiful stamp set with a coordinating die and a fabulous burlap background stencil that I can't wait to show you in action. So let's dive in. First up, let's take a closer look at this adorable Quokka stamp set and its coordinating die. This is a 6 1/4 by 4 1/8 inch stamp set for those who like to plan and organize. With a large stamp that's perfect for creating a bold focal point on your card. And don't worry about fuzzy cutting. This die makes it super easy to get that perfect cut every time. Well, most times. Whether you're creating fun, rustic cards or scrapbooking your favorite farm memory, this duo is going to be a perfect addition to your craft room. Now that you've seen the Quokka couples in action, let's take a closer look at the large stamp image in this set. Measuring at 3 3/4 by 2 3/4, this stamp is perfect for creating a focal point on your card. I just love the adorable farmhouse details and the sweet expressions on their face. It's like, it's so homey, it's so comforting. It feels southern. I don't know, it's a very comfort feeling. Whether you color them up with markers or you use them as a simple outline, they add so much charm to your project. Let's talk about these sentiments, guys. Oh, these sentiments. These sentiments had me on the floor. I could not help but to laugh. So I know that they're going to bring some humor to people. These stamp set also comes with these 12 fun and witty sentiments that length range from 3 3/8 inch long and 1 1/8 inch long, making them perfect for any spot on your card. Sentiments like, we may not have it all together, but together we have it all. And you're so forking cute. Add a playful touch to your project. I'll go over each one, showing you how they stamp out and giving you some ideas on how to pair them with the Quokka couple or use them on your own. Welcome to the funny farm. This is how we roll. We may not have it all together, but together we have it all. Rise and shine, mother cluckers. Life is better on the farm. You're so forking cute. Hey y'all, stop forking around. I forking love you. Together is our favorite place to be. How about a roll in the hay? Farm, sweet farm. Now, let's get into some fun techniques. I'm going to show you how to heat emboss this adorable Quokka couple to really make them pop on your project. We'll start by stamping the image using a watermark ink. Then, sprinkle on some gorgeous gold embossing powder or any color of your choosing. I'm using my Kat Scrappiness embellishment spoon, making it easier for me to apply in specific areas. After a quick blast with the heat tool, you'll see how the design comes to life with a beautiful raised finish. Next up is the Burlap Background 6x6 stencil. This stencil is an absolute game changer for adding texture and depth to your card. I've prepared 3 card panels to show you how versatile this stencil can be. In the first panel, I used 1 ink for a subtle, soft-like look. The second panel stepped it up with 2 inks for a bit more contrast and interest. And in the third panel, I went all out with multiple inks to create a vibrant texture background that really stands out. Whether you're going for a simple or a bold design, this stencil delivers every time. And here's a quick peek of a card I created using the release products. I just love how these products work together to create something truly special. I hope this inspires you to get crafty with this new release. Thanks so much for joining me today to explore the Fork and Farm Quokka release by Kat Scrappiness. Until next time, happy crafting. Be sure to sign up for the Kat Scrappiness newsletter to stay updated with all of our latest news and events. Bye!